people. So this particular video is about there's this movie called Bumfard that is that has been released on the Z app, and it stars Shalini Pandey, Vijay Verma, uh, and Aditya Raval, among the other people in the cast. And people, the ones who've been Shalini Pandey's fans after Arjun Reddy, this is one movie that kind of we get a glimpse of the Shalini Pandey we identify with, because in Shalini Pandey even starred in Mahanati, but in that her role is she's playing the friend of yesteryear actress Savitri. So she's dressed up also in this thing, but in this movie she's as cute as Shalini Pandey is in real life. So Bumfard is a Anurag Kashyap film. So you can imagine, right? There's a lot of testosterone in most of Anurag Kashyap's films. So you all should watch it, people. It's on the Z app, and it's called Bumfard. So crazy name, but I think it's it means a bomb being exploded or something like that. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.